All right, so this question says that the fitness club opens up with 80 members. Each month the membership increases by 15. The equation that models this situation is y is equal to 15x plus 80, where x is the number of months the club has been opened, and y represents the total fitness club membership. If the total membership is 215, for how many months has the club been opened? So as usual, my strategy is when I see questions like this, I always start out by just really highlighting important information. So club opens with 80 members each month. There is an increase of 15 members. That's going to be important information. The equation that is modeled by y equals 15x plus 80. What they're saying is that the x represents the number of months the club has been opened. And y represents the total fitness membership. Now, they also gave us a very important piece of information where they say the total membership is 215. So our question that we're trying to answer is, for how many months has the club been open? So that is our question. Now, generally when we start these kinds of equations, I always start out with the original equation, which is y is equal to 15x plus 80. They told us that the total membership is 15, and I also know that total membership is y, so I know that this is going to replace the y in my equation. So where I have y, I'm going to replace that with 215. So I'm going to start that process. And that is equal to 15x plus 80. Now, we're trying to solve for x because we want to know how many months the club has been open. And we said that x represents the number of months. So since we're solving for x, my indication is that at the end of the solution process, the x is going to be by itself. Therefore means that we have to start to remove terms that are on the same side as x. So we start out with this plus 80. To undo addition, we subtract 80. And that is done on both sides of the equation. So we're going to be left with 15x on the right side. And when you take 80 from 215, that's going to give you 135. So 135. And then now to get the x by itself, 15x means 15 times x. So to undo that 15, we have to divide, and you divide by 15 on both sides, which now we have x on the right side, x by itself. 135 divided by 15 is going to be equal to 9, and that 9 represents months. So the answer to this question is going to be A, the fitness club has been open for 9 months.